Hi guys, welcome to Tina Sunshine. I hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, then I will give my small introduction about myself. Hi, I am Tina. I live in Netherlands with my husband and son. I am an IT professional and I make videos on life in Netherlands and travel around. If you are interested in these topics, then please subscribe to my channel. I promise you, I will bring videos that will be very informative and you will enjoy it. My son is turning 4 next month. We are super excited and bit nervous because his schooling will start after his 4th birthday. As a parent, it's overwhelming, but at the same time, it's our responsibility to provide him best education. So I thought, why not share you the information about Dutch education system and schools available here. So now let's start. Education is compulsory in the Netherlands from the age of 4 to 16. The primary education is pretty straightforward, but the structure of Dutch secondary education seems to be confusing because of multiple paths and graduation age in high school. But you don't worry, you won't be confused anymore because I am going to explain you about education system and schooling. Let's first talk about primary education in the Netherlands. Primary education has 8 grades known as Group 1 from Group 1 to Group 8. It is not compulsory to attend primary school until Group 2 at the age of 5, but most children begin in Group 1 already at the age of 4. Kids start secondary school at the age of 12 and there are 3 streams in secondary education. Kids can choose any one of these streams. First stream is VMBO. The VMBO is a 4 years of vocational oriented stream and it is mainly focused on practical knowledge. It has 2 qualification level and kids can complete their secondary education at the age of 16. The second stream is HAVO. The HAVO is a 5-year stream that prepares students for higher education and applied science. Kids will complete their secondary education at the age of 17. Third is VWO. The VWO is 6-year stream which is based on theoretical knowledge. It prepares students to follow their bachelor degree at universities and kids will complete this secondary education at the age of 18. So this was about Dutch education system. Now let's talk about Dutch school system. Dutch primary and secondary schools are divided into 2 categories. Dutch public schools run by government and those are free of cost, and there are also special schools that are independently operated based on their religion and educational philosophy. In the Netherlands, there are also international schools. Most students live within the cycling distance to the school. The benefits of Dutch public school is that the kids will learn Dutch language quickly and they will easily adapt to the new surroundings and make friends with the local children. There are also international schools in the Netherlands. International school provides education in English language and the curriculum of the international school depends on the institution and education system. The international school provides IGCSE and IB certificate diploma program. So now let's talk about Dutch school types. First is public school. Public or regular schools have no religious or philosophical affiliation and are run by the government. Second is religious school. Religious schools in the Netherlands are founded on a specific faith such as Protestant, Christian, Catholic, Hindu, Islamic. Yes, you will find the Hindu and Islamic schools in the Netherlands. Montessori schools. Montessori schools help students to develop at their own pace, learning via activities that involve exploration, manipulation, repetition, order, abstraction, and communication. Now let's talk about the admission process in the Dutch school. When a child reaches at the age of 2.5 years, then the parents will get a letter from municipality, and in that letter the application procedure will be explained step by step. Application deadline will be mentioned in the letter according to your child's age. Together with the letter, you will also get application form, your primary school application form. You will get the list of 8 schools in your neighborhood where your child will have the priority. You can find out which school by visiting the SchoolVisor website by entering your postcode and house number. Parents must personally hand in the application form at their first choice of school. The first choice of school will enter the detail in central system, and soon after the application deadline there will be a central lottery. If your first choice of school is full, then the computer will try for the second choice of school and then third and so on. You will be automatically contacted by the school where your child receives the place. Now let's talk about school fees and funding. The Dutch primary school and secondary schools are free as they run by government. There are also government subsidized international school and the fees are around 4,500 to 5,500 euro per year. They have a long waiting list. If you are coming to the Netherlands for short term or you are coming in any on-site project and you have a temporary work contract, then only you can apply for government subsidized international school. There are also private international schools and these private international schools fees are around 15,000 euro per year. They have a short waiting list but they have more facilities and after school activities. So these were the information about Dutch education system and schools. I will be giving some important links in the description box where you can find more about Dutch education system and schools. If you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. See you in the next video.